Everyone say a village boy and village girl cannot speak English. It doesn't matter you are from village or from city. You can. If you want, you can. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon. जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी. So today's topic is a boy and girl can speak English that is from village. So it doesn't matter you are from any city, you are from any village, you are from any state. It doesn't matter. English is a language. Anyone can learn. If they want to learn, they have decided yes, we have to learn. It doesn't matter that you have no learning for anyone. So you have to do practice. First you have to do practice of listening. You have to listen more and more. What can you do? You have to listen simple. First you have to listen simple. Like you can listen children poem. That is very simple in English. You can watch English cartoon. That is also simple. It doesn't matter you have no any person to speak. We know that our native language is in village. That is not Hindi, that is not English, that is villager language. But if you want to learn English, so you have to do your 100%, you have to effort for that. Then you can achieve for English speaking. So what have to do? You can learn from, you have to not learn, in starting you have to not learn grammar. You should not focus on grammar. You should know only is, are, was, were, can, could. Where do we use? You have to use simple word that you know that is like that. That is apple. Apple you know, shape से apple कहते हैं. So you can say this is a apple. Give me a apple. Like this you can make small sentences. By that your English will improve. You have to, like if you are listening, you listen daily. You have to listen daily. You have to not skip one day. If you want to improve your English speaking fluently, you have to not skip one day. Then you can improve your fluently and you can speak more. Whatever you have done, whatever you do at your home, you can talk like that. You can talk with your family. You have to not talk with friends. Because your friend in village, they will not learn English. They don't know. You can talk with your family. They will listen only you. They don't know what is wrong, right. They will not correct you. They will not keep you mistake in yourself. They will not say anything to you. They will say that my child is speaking English. They will not say anything to you and your practice will improve. You have to imitate whatever you are listening from anywhere. You have to imitate that. By that your speaking will improve. You will improve day by day. If you want to improve, you can take a notebook and make a small sentence. This is apple, this is a village, like this. You can make a small sentence. You have to make a notebook. You have to write on that. If you want to get like that, you have to make environment. You have no anyone. You have to motivate yourself that I have to do this. You have to not listen others. If they are saying to you that you cannot, why are you trying to speak? You have to focus only yourself. Yes, you have to dedicate yourself. Then you can do. Whatever people saying, you have to not listen. You have to focus only your speaking. You can see yourself. If you speak 1 month regularly, you have to not skip one day. You speak regularly. You will change. You will see what was you in past. You can see what is you in present. You will change yourself. You will think that I was making mistake that time. Now I am making mistake less. You will change yourself. So whatever you are going to do, you have to make imitate that. You have to imitate that. You have to do repeat that. Whatever you listen. Daily you have to do like this. You have to speak with family and you have to do listening practice. You have to write some sentence. You have to speak some words. You have to not learn hard words. You have to use only simple words first, because by that you will not stuck. You will not make mistake. If you are speaking simple words you are using, so you will not make more mistake. If you will be able to speak, you can learn hard words. So first you have to learn simple words. You have to learn simple grammar. After that, yes, I know grammar is important, but not more. You have to speak. That we know in village also know that सेब से एप्पल कहते हैं, बॉल से बॉल कहते हैं, गेंद से बॉल कहते हैं. So you can speak some words like this. This is a ball. This is a cat. You know बिल्ली से cat कहते हैं. That type you can use. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel.